Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create an ebook in Canva 2025 step by step. Alright guys, so let's get into it. How can you actually go about creating an ebook in Canva? Your first step would be to simply go ahead and open up your browser and simply log on to canva.com, as this is where we're going to be creating the content we need. So what you're going to be doing is quite simple. Once you're on canva.com, make sure you have an account. You can simply create an account on Canva using the sign up page or the sign in page and then moving over to sign up. Alright guys, so how can you actually create an ebook on Canva? Go ahead and click on templates. So we have your designs, we have Canva AI, and we have templates. These are the basic settings you can set your the Canva platform to. So you can search for templates. If you select Canva AI, it's going to make use of the AI feature that is on Canva to simply design an ebook or something of that nature. So now it says here, search millions of templates. So what we're going to be doing is quite easy. We're just going to simply type in ebook. So go ahead and type in ebook templates and simply click on enter. So now canva.com is now going to search for an ebook template, and it brings up results like this: your guide to a successful online brand, becoming a content creator, which has 25 pictures in it. We have content creation for beginners. This is already an existing template. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply click on this, and now I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own ebook and how you can also edit someone else's and use. So where we have customized this template, go ahead and click on open a new tab and customize. And then let's head over to another template that's a single picture. Okay guys, so we can just go ahead and click on this ebook here, this ebook cover art. Just simply click on this, and once it opens, just go ahead and select this customize option. Alright guys, so with this page opened, with this design opened, I want to show you a couple of things we can do to make this into an ebook suitable for our business. Uh, Anything we want to do with an ebook, any kind of ebook we need to create, can be done like this. All you need to do is just simply click on the text. Now we're going to make this our ebook. Let's just call it the journey. It says here the journey of life, so I'm going to shift this over to the journey of fitness. So we're going to call it fitness. And now with this, you could simply edit the background. One day you'll realize your journey. You could simply just change this into something suitable for your ebook. All right, so I moved it over to lock-in, and you can now simply remove elements like this in your image. So just simply click on delete, and now it's a journey of fitness. For the background and things like that, you could use their software, that's the professional background remover. And then you could also flip the picture so it's the other way around. You could change the background color, all that good stuff. Now, the next step you're going to take is where we have add a page. Click on this plus icon to now add a second page. Now, on the second page of our ebook, what we're going to do is we're going to head over to the home section of the Canva. So while you're on the home page, let's just go ahead and click on home now. So once you've clicked on the home, go ahead and select Canva AI. So on home, just click on this Canva AI option. So when you've clicked on the Canva AI option, what we're going to do is quite simple. Instead of saying code for me or create an image or draft a document, you could tell it to draft a document, because that's what we need on our page. So where we have draft a document, tell it to write a fitness ebook material worth 2 pages for an ebook. Yes, it doesn't make sense. You could also use the chat using voice option. It says here type. So I believe this is the type of document you need: a blog post, outline, social media, description, article, script, pitch. You can tell it to just write something. So I'm just going to click on send from this point. And now what Canva AI is going to do is going to help us generate or brainstorm, 2 pages worth of 2 pages worth of fitness ebook material. So give me a moment while I draft a 2 page document for your fitness ebook. All right, so while it's doing that, let's head over to the other page we had. So I told you before you could kind of like take inspiration from the templates that other people have. As you can see here, these are the templates that are available from Canva, and we can simply turn this into our own ebook. So the cover or the design cover is content creation for beginners. Everything you need to know about creating content that extracts and converts. So now you could simply change up the background. So where we have background color, click on this. Let's make it into something more friendly, like this light blue. Yeah. And now we can now click on the text, and where we have text color, you could now simply change it to something purple. If that doesn't, okay, let's put on red or yellow. Yes, yellow. And then click on change all, and all text for this entirety of this project would be in yellow. We can simply take it back to black and everything would be black. Alright guys, so it's the same process as what we were doing earlier, where we just simply need to select an element of the text body and simply edit this into whatever we want. Canva gives you that freedom so far as what you're doing does not have a premium plan attached to it, because most documents have, or most designs have premium plans. Alright, so you could simply edit this to look like what you want for your ebook, and you could just download it by clicking on the share at the top right and then heading over to download. So download is usually at the bottom. All you need to do is just click on download and the ebook is yours. Now let's head back to what we were designing. Click here, click on this drop down and select document. So click on document, and now this is going to give us the freedom to express ourselves with our characters, while we simply just right click and delete this page. So let's delete the other page, and now head back to Canva AI. And okay, so we have something here. So all you need to do is now, where we have this magnifying glass with a plus, click on it, and it's going to bring up this text. That's this body of text. I believe you could download this. I'm not sure. You could ask it to convert it into a Word file, or you could just copy this into your notepad, or you could simply click on Canva editor and be taken over to the next tab. So you'd be taken over to this tab here, where you can now actually copy everything out of Canva and into your new design. Like this design we're working on, you could just copy the text here, Control V, and some of it would be copied. All right, guys, so that's how you can go about creating an ebook. You could now download your finished product by clicking on share, as I said earlier, and clicking on download, and it's done. Alright guys, so that's everything. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.